Hi everyone, so today we're going to show you a really cool feature within our different calculators, and that's going to be the extra payment. So the extra payment calculator is a great way to kind of help a prospective buyer see the light at the end of the tunnel and how much money they can save by sending a little bit of money towards their principal. So for example, right, let's say we have a purchase price of $485,000. Let's say that client can, if they were able to send an extra $100 towards their principal balance every month, over the span of 5 years, they'll gain $46,000 in equity just from that extra $100 a month. You can shift the little slider here and it'll adjust your numbers. Right after 13 years, $144,000. That's a really great way to engage a prospective buyer using one of our calculators. We hope this helps. Thanks so much.